Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
I'm Storm Track 7 Chief Meteorologist Mark Schnackenberg. Storm Track 7 red alert for gusty winds and some snow late tonight into the day tomorrow, so near blizzard conditions are possible with that blowing snow around. Here's the breakdown of the headlines of the alerts that we have. Winter storm or blizzard warning are northwestern counties through much of central Iowa. Then with lighter snow amounts farther to the south and east, just a high wind warning and a wind advisory. So winds gusting to 50 miles an hour, winds gusting to 60 miles an hour. Either way you shake it up, it's going to be real windy around here. Wind starts to pick up a little bit here as we head into the overnight hours out of the northeasterly direction. After about 3 o'clock, that wind really cranks up by 6 o'clock. And then after that, by 9 o'clock, we're dealing with wind gusts to near 60 miles an hour. That continues through lunchtime, through the afternoon. And then by evening, we're back to where we started at like 8 o'clock in the morning. Pretty strong winds still. This could be wind gusts to 45 or 50 miles an hour. And then it backs off a little bit by 9 o'clock, but still pretty strong winds. Now, remember that wind last week? That'll be the same kind of wind, but this time we'll have a little snow mixed in. But that comes late. As we head through the evening hours, it is rain. By midnight, it's approaching our western counties, but it's a slow movement west to east. Watch what happens here. Here's midnight. As that rain snow line slides east, this is 4 o'clock in the morning, here's the snow. That's when the wind starts to pick up. Remember that chart that I just showed you? A stronger wind picking up by about 4 o'clock. That rain snow line continues to move east. We're now at 7 o'clock. That's where the wind is going to get even stronger. Out of the north as temperatures drop down into the lower 30s and even some upper 20s. Now that could bring some locally heavy snow fall rate. So for maybe an hour or two, a quick ½ inch or an inch of snow, a possibility. But with 60 mile an hour winds, that's a problem from this point forward. Now the accumulating snow will be winding down as we approach lunchtime, but still scattered snow showers around. Visibilities will be reduced because of that strong wind, especially out in the open country. So please be careful if you're going to do any traveling. That snow eventually tapers off and then the clouds will clear on out. But still, even with the snow ending, there could be a lot of it blowing around across the region, reducing visibility. Make sure you got your headlights on even during the day tomorrow. 2-3 inches of snow across our northwestern counties. There may be an isolated 4-inch snowfall amount there. Farther to the south and east, trace to an inch, maybe 2 in a couple of spots as you get closer to this line up here. So be careful. Again, there'll be some snow and it'll be almost impossible to measure. This is the rain here through the evening hours, and their 10-day forecast does include that rain to change over to snow and then eventually dry conditions here for Thursday. Temperatures will be in the 40s. Cool it down just a little bit. We'll have snow Thursday night into Friday. Then dry conditions here for the weekend and early part of next week, and look what the temperatures do. Warm into the 60s around here. Some rain chances there on Wednesday and again on Friday.